Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix error on your Google Chrome browser. As you can see guys, I am facing this error. Your clock is ahead. So finally I have got the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So let's get started. So when you are facing this kind of error on your Google Chrome browser guys, first you need to check your phone date and time. If your phone date and time is incorrect, at that time you can 100% definitely face this kind of error. To check your phone date and time, go to your phone settings, scroll down and go to system. In the system you can get date and time option. Okay, so from here you need to set date and time to automatically. Okay, so just enable this. Okay, after doing this guys, open your Google Chrome browser once again. Now check your issue was solved or not. So as you can see guys, now my problem was solved. In case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update your browser. Go to Google Play Store and search Google Chrome, and if the app update is available, just simply update your app. Okay, after updating, open the browser and check your issue was solved or not. In case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your phone settings like this, go to apps, notification or application manager, whatever option you have, just open it. Go to all apps. From here you need to find out Chrome browser, go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of your browser. Okay, after doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, check your problem was solved or not. Now this time hopefully it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.